So what are you going to help Dad do today?
Help him by down below.
You're going to help him
Down below? What are we doing down below? Sanding?
Yes.
Yes.
And on the engine.
And on the engine? Okey-dokey.
And on there.
You're going to climb the mast? You're not? I thought
Only
you wanted...
if you do it.
Only if I do it?
In the hot sun.
And you did what?
Painted outside in the hot sun.
Painted outside in the hot sun. Abigail painted the lid.
It's 100 degrees out there.
100 degrees.
Okay, so we got that engine out in that last big video, and now we are real time working on this boat. So the big thing that we need to do is finish sanding. We've been working on that with the kids. We've got some teak repair that needs doing. We've got woodwork on the top that we're working on stripping and sanding. That's also something that the kids can do. And we're working on the inside. So it's really hot today. So today we are working on cleaning out the bilges and scrubbing down the bathrooms while Todd works on the plumbing. So the reality is kids are really helpful. They're an extra hand on the boat. So let's go see what's going on. Okay, so what are you going to use to scrub the bilge?
I'm going to use this brush, and Abigail's going to use a bigger brush.
Do you have a bigger brush, Abigail?
Okay.
Katie has it right now?
Yeah.
And what kind of soap are you using?
We're going to use the Tide.
Tide. Does it work very good?
Yes.
Yeah. Gets things pretty clean?
What is that?
It's a big brush, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you use the Tide in the engine compartment to help Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, it worked good. So we're going to use on the rest of the bilge, huh?
Yep.
All right, let's get started. Gabriel's in the bathroom.
Yep.
How's it coming? Good. Just gotta scrub it out. It's kind of gross.
I said, how clean do we want it to be?
How clean do we want it to be? So are we almost done?
Almost. We have to vacuum everything and then rinse it and then wash it and then rinse it again.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Woohoo! That was hard work, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Gabe, you want to clean that bathroom again? No. Well, we've got one more bathroom to do. Who should do that tomorrow?
Gabe.
like,
No.
and Abigail can say, and subscribe, and everybody can say, leave a comment, because that would be super good.
Do you think that sounds good?
Yeah. Please like.
And subscribe.
And leave us a comment.
Bye!